is equal to 6x e power negative t. So this is the partial differential equation which we have, and they have also given us the conditions. We've got u 0, or u of 0, t is equal to t, u subscript x of x, 0 is equal to sine what? Sine x. So the first thing here, for us to solve, we need to find u subscript x. So for u subscript x, we just integrate this. So it will be the integral of this with respect to t. Okay? So when you integrate here, we are automatically going to treat this as a constant. So they will be outside, like that. Okay? They will be outside, since we are respecting t. So these two are not affected by a t. So we shall have 6x, and the integral of e to the power negative t, it will be negative e power negative t. And then we say plus a constant. So we don't know this constant, and it must be some function. Okay? When you're dealing with normal integrals, we put a constant c plus c. But for partial differential equations, we put a function. Okay? So it will be f of x. X is coming from here. The reason of put x is that we are respecting t here. Okay? So now from here, we keep this, our u of x. We keep it. Okay? Or maybe we simplify further, so this will look like this, so that it looks very clean. So this is our u, our u of subscript x. We can even use the condition. We can apply the condition here at this point, because we've been given a condition which says u subscript x of x, 0 is equal to sine x. This condition is right here in the question. You can see it. So we can use the condition here. We find what our f of x is. So we're going to say sine x is equal to negative 6x e, okay, power negative t, plus what? Plus f of x. Okay? So now, following the condition here, following this condition, where there is t, because for the x it's there, so wherever you see x we maintain, but where there is t, we substitute a 0. So where are we able to see a t? It's right here. So this t will be equal to a 0. Okay, so it will be negative 0, which is the same as a 0. So it's e to the power 0. So this e to the power 0 is the same as what? 1. So it will be sine x is equal to negative 6. This is a 1. Okay, so it will just be a 1, don't change anything, plus f over x. So we make f of x subject to the formula. It will be sine x plus 6x is equal to f over x, like this. So we've found, so if you're able to see nicely, we've found the value of f, or the function, the constant which is missing. It's this one. We can even plug it back where it's supposed to be. Okay? Remember, there is a function that we needed to put here. We didn't know. So we can write it back. Okay? Let's put it in our u subscript x. So it will be here. So we're going to say u subscript x is equal to negative 6x e negative power negative t plus sine, okay, sine, you can see sine x plus a 6x. Remember, our f of x here, it's what we found here, so we just substitute back. Now after that, we now find our u, okay, from this. So what will be our u? The u will just be the integral of everything that we found here. Okay? You can see can see. Now, this time around, we respect what? X. We respected the t at first. This time around, we're going to respect x. So we shall say, here with respect to x, we shall have negative 3x power 2 e power negative t plus. Actually, it's minus because the integral over sine x is negative cos x. Here it will be plus 3x power 2. Okay, and then we say plus some function which we don't know. So we shall say g over t. This time around we put t. Here we said x. Now here we put t. It may be h of t, but for as long as inside here we put a t, here we have put x. Okay, and how I'm picking these, they are all coming from here. If you saw here, we had two independent variables. So this one and this, x and t. At first, we used x. At second, when integrating the other one, we use the opposite. Okay? So here it will be t. Okay? So you can see we've now found our u. This is our u. Now we need to get the value of g over t. This one. So for us to get g of t, we'll come to this condition. It's in the question. I'll show you this condition. Okay? So this condition we've been given right here. You can see it, it's over here. This is a condition. So what we're going to do with this condition is just to do what we did with sine. We're going to say t, okay, this t is equal to everything. So t will be equal to negative 3x power 2e there. Okay, you can see we just copy everything. Okay, so you see, we copy everything. So now, looking at what is here, okay, so the x value will be equal to 0, the t value will maintain. So wherever we see x, we're going to put what? A 0. So if we substitute a 0 here, okay, so it will be just a 0. A 0 here, it will be a 1, plus this negative, it will be negative 1. So all what we're going to remain with, it will be t is equal to negative 1, because this is a 0, and if we substitute a 0 here, it will just be a 0. So we shall remain with something like this. This is what we're going to remain with. And to solve for g of t, we're going to say t plus 1 is equal to g over t here. This will cross the equal sign, so it will be positive. So if you're able to see nicely, our solution will just be u, okay, x of x t is equal to negative 3x squared e negative t minus cos x plus 3x squared plus, now we substitute this where this is, so it will be plus t plus 1. This is our solution. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.